Join me to create this colour block nail using only acrylic. So you should already have a clear base laid down. Then on top of that, you're going to go with a very thin, quite wet layer of acrylic, and you're going to arrange the glitter however you want it. You'll notice as well I've not gone all the way up to the cuticle with that glitter, and that's because I'm going to do kind of almost a green cuff around the cuticle. So I use the tip of my brush to pick up the larger chunks of glitter, and I place that on top of the very fine shards. And I'm going to show you on the second nail as well, because I did this on 2 nails on this particular set. Again, working really thin. Whenever you're doing a set like this where you've got colour blocking, you want to be working thin. So obviously, again, arranging the glitter however you want it. Don't worry about being too precious. You will go in with a hand file later. Go over with any chunky glitter if you want to add it, and then cap that whole area, just that area, in clear. Try and work a little bit wetter with this particular acrylic because you don't want any bubbles in it. Also try not to poke it or press it too much with your brush. Once that's dry, you're going to go in with your hand file and really crisp up that shape. So on this particular set, I went round the smile line and then I went round the cuticle as well, because there's about a mil or two where I'm going to put the green colour in a moment. So then I go in and place the green. I'm going round the cuticle and then I'm going to go round the edge where I've got the spaces. I'm not going to cap this in clear, so I'm just using the colour powder, which is fine because you can do that. You can build with this particular colour powder, just to make sure that you've got all of your structure in place. And if you are enjoying this video, please do make sure you give it a like and you drop us a follow for more content. And don't worry about going over the clear acrylic with your coloured acrylic because you're going to file that off. Now you're going to go in with your hand file and really get that shape in. I took out a load of the bulk at the top, and I also took out some at the cuticle area just to make sure it's not too bulky because that can cause lifting too. Once you've done that, you're going to put your top coat on, cure it, and you're done. I hope that helps and thank you for watching.